Can you cut and reconnect the Govee M1 LED strip without soldering? Short answer, yes you can. You can cut the M1 at these sections, each 500mm, so you have a total of 10 individual segments. Here I marked the order of how I cut the strip, but I found out that it doesn't matter, you can swap the individual segments with each other without problems. I use these connectors for solder-free connection. Gameover Shop provided me with these connectors. They were specially made to my desired dimensions to fit the M1 strip with 12mm width. Unfortunately, these connectors are too wide to fit in the Aluminum Diffuser Channels I want to use, so I need to cut them. If you need any custom-made connectors, this is the shop to go. I will link it in the video description below. Because I cut it away the housing of the connectors, I use heat shrink tubes for isolation and to hold the connectors in place. The pins on the connectors are pretty tight, so I spread them a little bit, so it's easier to connect the light strips. When you connect the individual segments with each other, make sure the G on each strip shows in the same direction, otherwise it doesn't work. Remove all of the silicone at the end of the segments. I also recommend to pressing the connector a little bit with the pliers, so the pin will have proper connection. Test if all connections work. Redo faulty connections if necessary. I cut the connectors in the middle to extend the cables. For easy connection, I use these Wago connectors. Now it's time to cut the diffuser channels. When you stick the strip into the channel, start in the middle and work your way to the ends to have the strip perfectly centered in the channel. Oh fuck. This is not good. It's okay to fail sometimes. Just keep going. Here I make some temporary cable extensions to show you it's possible. However, this is not the final outcome. I will build a complete acoustic wall for my YouTube background and integrate these lights, so subscribe to my channel if you want to follow the build.